Hello everyone, welcome to Ecstasy Software Solutions. Now we are going to see about the project called Iris Banking. Okay, this project is about iris based banking and it is completely based on an authentication approach. So more or less in existing approach, these authentications have tremendous changes where multiple authentications have been processed, right? So mostly we have seen username, password, pins and face authentications, etc., fingerprints, etc. So but there is no process called iris banking. So iris banking is a completely different process where it has not evolved till now. So what we are going to do in our proposed system is iris based banking. So here I'm just going to first run the project. So this is my project output, and this is a website based project where if we are going to make transactions through online, we'll be using iris banking process. Okay, so now in my banking system there is three entities. One is admin, bank and user. So admin is the overall administrator of the entire website who has created this. So admin will be a single person, so directly I'm making a login using the username, password, admin. So the login will be got success, and the admin can basically view the bank details and the user details. So these are the things. Yeah. So now I'm going to the bank. So each and every bank need to ensure their login credentials with an account creation, right? So I'm going to create a account to the bank. So I'm just using these details are just for basic, okay, so don't take it as serious. Okay, I'm giving us, yeah. So I'm giving a username and also a password with email and the basic credentials of the bank. Okay, so now I'm creating an account for the bank. So the bank account will be created from now on, and I'm going for the user, right? So mostly this is the basic thing of the project. Okay, so first of all, user need to create an account. That account should be created using the iris. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create an account and I'm going to give my name, my contact number and email of myself, gender, so I'm going to create a username and password for my account, and I'm going to give the Aadhaar number. Just these things are basic, and I'm going to give a PAN number, my city, I'm going to give my PIN code and state. Yeah, so first of all I need to give these login informations to create my account, and if I'm registering it, I'll be verifying with my iris. Okay, so you can view it now. They have given me an ID and my iris is getting stored. So now I'm going to stop it. Yeah, so here a specified authentication process have been occurred, right? So first thing what is going to happen here is it is just going to verify my iris. So how it will verify is, first of all it will identify the face. So for face identification I'll be using R cascades, and I'll be using RNN. It's a recurrent neural network algorithm to identify the iris and extract the data from the concerned face. Okay, so using face plus iris this authentication works. And again I'm going to give my login account. So first of all I need to give my email and password, right? So now if I'm making a login, again it will verify, right? So here you can view it is verifying my face and iris too. So from the face part it is taking the iris, and automatically it will be allotted the user ID which I have been used to create in my account. Okay, so now success. So I can view my user home. Okay, so this is my home page, and a successful authentication has been created and I'm going to create an account. Yeah, so I just want to create an account in State Bank, or else I can go for Canara Bank. Since there are two banks I can go for, and the username, Aadhaar number, PAN number, opening balance is a basic things. It will be already inserted inside, and if I want to create an account in State Bank of India, I'm creating an account. So these are the basic things, like we don't need to moreover concentrate in these things. So this is just for a banking approach, right? So if I'm creating an account will be created. I can make a deposit, withdraw, transfer, and I can view my mini statement, etc. And also I can view the concern amount received to me. So this is the basic process which I am having in my home page. So the main thing is authentication purpose. Okay, so the user can basically make a iris banking using this information. So now I'm going to show you one thing. So this is not only authentication, but it is also created for a secure storage. So secure storage is nothing but I have added blockchain. Okay, so this is my project folder. I have created blockchain based server where these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? These folders are the blockchain server where the encrypted data will get stored here. So now what I'm going to encrypt here is if I'm making a transaction from my side. Okay, so what will be the problem there? So someone will hack the data, or some person will attack the data, right? So if they attack or hack the data, what they will do? They will receive my amount, right? So for securing my amount, for making myself safe and secure, I'm adding this blockchain based server where the transactions will be completely secured with digital tamper proof authentication, and also my transactions will be in an encrypted format where the concerned hacker or attacker cannot able to understand it. So for this purpose I'll be using elliptical curve cryptography algorithm, which is a new algorithm, and it gives a good accuracy, right? So if I'm a hacker, consider myself as an hacker. If I'm going to the server 2, I'm just picking it up the data, so I cannot view anything whether who is a sender, who is a receiver, whatever it may be, what deposit amount has been done, etc. So nothing gonna happen here. So I am making my account safe with iris banking and also making my data safe using ECC encryption with blockchain server. So this is the entire concept where the complete project relies on a security process where it relies on both server side security and also authentication. So this project has been created using Python. So mostly Python in our office we use PyCharm Community Edition, and this is created using Python 12. Okay, so for backend we are using MySQL, and WAM server is the basic thing. So this is my database. You can view my database and also the basic tables. So this is account details, and this is my account what I created, and this is admin, bank details, mini statement, user details. So for backend I'll be using MySQL. So database I'll be using WAM server and also Python, and front end for designing purpose I'll be using HTML and CSS. Okay, so I'll be creating a template, and these are the HTML and CSS pages. So this is the entire project. So I have done the project using basic Python and also HTML, CSS with bootstrap process. Okay, so using this I can safe and secure my banking account with authentication and also the server side. So this is the complete project what I have done. Thank you. If you have any doubts, call us.